Need to search the seas for marine and algae ingredients? Ecuadorian Rainforest is a premier wholesale raw materials provider of marine and algae powders and powdered extracts. Third-party laboratory tested, Ecuadorian Rainforest can provide the world of the seas from one location with all necessary documentation. Ingredients such as kelp, spirulina, Gigartina, and more are readily available. Interested? Visit intotherainforest.com and discover a world of ingredients right away to receive a quote.